So hello everyone. So this is my report about kay Benedicto Cabrera, Larawan series. Introduction. The word Larawan means portrait or image in Filipino, but BenCab series beyond portraiture using image to reflect on memory, class, identity, and country's colonial history. Filipinas in Barat Sayaw or mas kilala bilang Barong. Benedicto Cabrera, or mas kilala bilang Dean Bencabs, is a national artist of the Philippines, which is one of the most celebrated contemporary painters in Asia. The Larawan series began in the early 1970s. So, about dito sa picture na to is, itong series na to is, ang inspiration niya ay from colonial photographs, print, and vintage portrait of Filipino. Actually, madaming gawa sa Ben Cubs na relate tayo. I mean, which is mga tradisyon ng Filipino. But I choose this one kasi nga still na meron pa tong barong na to. Still na ginagamit natin tong mga Filipino. And then, isa rin yun, related tayo. Ayun lang. And then sa kanyang paints naman is ginamitan siya ng sepia and earth tones ng sepia brown, muted yellow, cream, and soft white na umaalingaw sa itsura ng painting. Nagmukha siyang old, ganyan. So, sa ibang background details naman, ay may kulay na andyan tulad ng ayang red, blue, or yung gold dyan. Explanation of the picture. Explanation ko sa pictures na ito is the painting of Tan Defect, Filipinas in Barsaya, mestizas with Spanish features or Indios, and Servant Rose. The Larawan series is inspired by turn-of-the-century Filipino photographs, particularly from the late Spanish and early American colonial period. They often depict Filipino men and women in traditional attire such as barat sayo, or ayan, mas kilala bilang barong, and other period. So, ito yung mga ibang gawa ni Ben Cubs na famous. Itong isa is itong may nakaanong saging is market vendors. Is one of the iconic masterpiece in Filipino art that highlights the Filipino culture lifestyles. Tapos, itong isa naman is The Sabil series. Naano ko siya kasi BenCab most iconic and longest running subject. Ito namang isa is I forgot. Nakalimutan ko yung name niya. So, that's it. My report.